trying these bougie munchies that I got off the TikTok shop. They are the freeze-dried cotton candy fruit roll-ups. I thought they looked so good on there. And I had to open these beforehand because I tried this earlier and I could not get the package open. So, I thought I would try these with you. These are so good. And they came in really fast. These are so good. These would probably be really good to put in the freezer too. Tastes just like cotton candy. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I gotta try these. They're really good. I'll link them below.